Gosh, you're wearing that bone out. Look, you got a wad of paper. Look, it's a mouse globe. What is that?
What's that? Huh?
What's that tag?
That tag?
We're going to Disney World.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is cool.
Guess when we're going to Guess when we're going to Disney World? 3 hours from now. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas.
You're not supposed to be crying.
Are you happy?
You're excited.
Are you happy? We're going to do Christmas at Disney World.
Why are you crying? Why are you crying?
Do you like it?
You like it?
Is it the best present ever?
So Mommy and Daddy just didn't keep you very much because we wanted to take you to Disney.
Yeah. Is that okay?
Is that okay?
By
3 hours.
in 3 hours. By tonight, you're going to be at Disney World.
And look, Mommy,
And you got shirts to wear to Disney World.
Are you excited? Why are you crying, baby?
Mom and Daddy love you.
Mommy and Daddy love you very much. We thought it'd be more fun to have an experience and to get lots of fun.
Yeah.
Don't you think that sounds good? Let's talk about this a little bit. You know, we're going to go eat at that place where Winnie the Pooh was. You know, Crystal Palace. Guess where we get to go this time? Cinderella's castle.
Yep.
And then we're going to this place called Coral Reef, and it has a bunch of fish, and it's an aquarium. It's in Epcot.
Guess who?
We get to ride rides.
We're going to be there for 4 days. We're going to be there till this weekend.
Cool.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Merry Christmas.